Okay, welcome back to class, guys. We're about to see how to do the preambles for TK003, the CEO9N version of it. Okay, I told you earlier that TK003 is in two versions, the upgraded version and the previous version. Okay, now, let's see. In this version, let me quickly bring the things in it out. Let me unbox it. We have the cables that concern the fuse of this. Then we have the microphone. We have the tracker itself. And of course, we have the relay, which is responsible in shutting down the car whenever we send a command. So now, what is the difference between this one we want to fix and this TK003 upgraded version and the previous version? The only difference is just the microphone. The TK003 regular version doesn't have a microphone. So this is the advanced version. Microphone has been added to it. That's interesting anyway. So we no longer use TK003 because we have a better version. Okay, quickly. This is also a simple step of preambles to do. Make sure you do this, I said. Okay, we also have this, the SOS button. Make sure you do this, as I've earlier said, the SOS button, before you go to site. Okay, now quickly, let's unwrap the cable. Okay, this is a wire that comes with it. This comes with the box. When you get your box, it comes with it. When you get your box, it comes with it. So now, quickly, this is how it comes. 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 Look at it. This is how it comes. With it, it comes with 4 cables. Look at it. It comes with how many cables? 4 cables. We have the black cable. We have the yellow cable. We have the red cable. And of course, we have the orange cable. That's just 4 cables. This one is more simple and more direct to install. So we just need 3 of these cables. We need the black. We'll be leaving the black. We will also be leaving the red, and we'll be leaving the yellow. But we'll be cutting off the orange. This orange cable, you can cut it off. You can cut off the orange cable. We don't need it. So we use it to elongate the other cables. So we cut it off. So it's not needed. So now I'll be using it to extend the other cables where it is needed. So this is that with this other part. Then we also have the relay side. The relay side. So when you see the relay, it comes like this normally. The relay side comes like this. We have the fuse of the relay and we have the relay itself. So look at it. How to fit this relay is very simple. Just take note of the polarity. Just take note of the polarity. We have a place that look like a plus sign. You know, when you put it like this, you see it's not entering. It cannot fit in 2 ways until you get it. So if it did not enter like this, turn it the other way. You will see that it will enter. Just pin it. I think that's simple enough to understand, right? That's simple. So that's it. So you just pin it. There's it for this one. So now let's go to how do we connect this cable to this. So at the other side of the relay, we have 2 green cables and we have 2 other smaller cables that are white and yellow. We have 2 thick green cables and we have 1 yellow cable rather, and we have 1 white cable. This is very simple. Yellow is going to yellow. A yellow cable from the other end is coming to the yellow side of our relay. So the yellow cable, you just join it this way. When you join it, don't forget you tape it. When you join it, you insulate it with your tape. You tape it when you join it. You can do this before going to site. It is very simple to do. Okay. So you see it. So now the next one you do, we connect again is this white. We're only connecting these 2 small cables. The next one we'll connect is this white. We'll connect this white to the red, just like the way we did TK003. You are going to connect it after, look at it, this is the termination point, after the fuse. So you just peel it a little bit. Use your jackknife to peel it. Very simple. You peel it with your jackknife or razor blade, anyone that is convenient with you. After you peel it, you join your white cable to it. But look at it, it's so short. So what I normally do when I go for installation is the orange cable I removed from, I cut out from this, I join it to that white to elongate it. So I join it, the orange cable, I join it to the white. to extend it so that it can be longer. You tape it. I'll use it to extend it so that I can connect it to the red cable. Hope it is well understood. Don't worry, watch the video very well, you will understand. Now see, then you now take the other end, bring it to join to this other side we peeled earlier. Just put it like this and just roll it. You can see, very, very simple to do. I will insulate it. I told you, anybody, whether female, male, you just finished secondary school, you are a working class that is doing 9 to 5, you can do this. You can see, very simple. So we connect. In recap, let me recap connection of the wire. You connect the white, extending it with another wire or with the wire we cut earlier to the red. That is it, very simple. Then you join the yellow to the yellow on the relay. So we'll be left with these two. These two, this is where we will use it to connect it to the car. Then also, reason why we did not join anything to this place is that this is a place also that we supply power to the vehicle from the other side of the relay. This will supply us power from the vehicle to the tracker, while this one will be used for the fuel line. Don't worry about this one I just said. When we get to the car, it will be more explanatory when we get straight to practical on the car. So now, I'm going to see you in the next class where we'll be learning how to find our battery line, our fuel line, and to connect our trackers. Okay, but before I end this class quickly, I will quickly show you around this also. You know, unlike the TK003, and before I forget, unlike TK003, it is not to be screwed. It doesn't have any screw on it. Look at it very well. This doesn't have screw on it. It is just like this. Look at it. Very simple. Good. So now, but this is how this one works. We will lift the back of this one. We can open the back. Look at it. This back, put your hand here or screwdriver, either your hand, you can see my hand, just lift it a bit. It's just a clip. When you just put your hand at the back and lift it, the clip will open. And you can also open this side of it. You can see there's the same part. You shift it back also, lift it, and insert your SIM card. Please, when you are inserting the SIM card, take note of the polarity also. Of course, let me quickly remove the SIM card from the, oh wow, we've locked the SIM card in the other one, but never worry. This is where you fix the SIM card. Just right here, the same way we fix it in TK003. Just check the shaping of the SIM card and fix it here gently. When you fix it, you close it back, then you shift the clip. That is all with this one. Then I want you to take note of something. After you are done, you clip it. What I want you to take note of is that for this Cncote, for this TK003, whether the new version or the old version, you don't need to turn it on. It turns on automatically when we connect it to the vehicle. I'm going to show you when we get to the vehicle. It turns on automatically when we connect to the vehicle. So there's nowhere to power it on. You don't need to worry about the power button. So when you finish, you just clip it back. Then when we connect it to the vehicle, you will notice there are two holes. You can bring it closer to see. There are two holes inside this tracker. When we connect it to the vehicle, these two holes will be bringing out light. Is to show us that the tracker has received power. That is how we know this one is on. These two holes. Well, never worry. When we get to the car, I'm going to show you. Trust me, you will get this beautifully. And you will enjoy your first installation. And subsequently, it's time to make some money in this year. Okay? Don't miss it. Okay, quickly also, we have the microphone. Let me show you quickly how we connect the microphones. So after we've put the SIM card, now look at this place. This part of it. And this part, in this place we have 3 heads, but the biggest of it, or better still, the widest one is the one we connect to this wire. We only have one on this wire, so you just check it. This place that has like a ball point, like an extra on it, is where you clip to this side. Very simple. When you put it, you just clip. You are going to hear a little sound. Cup. That is all when you hear that sound.